All right, let's talk about a place that's probably the most extreme on our entire planet. I'm talking about Antarctica. Now, when you picture Antarctica, what comes to mind? Just a massive, endless sheet of ice, right? A frozen desert, completely white, stretching as far as the eye can see, and you're not wrong. In fact, a mind-boggling 99% of the entire continent is covered by a gigantic ice sheet. Think about that for a second. 99%. It's almost impossible to wrap your head around that scale. We're talking about a continent that's bigger than Europe, almost entirely buried under ice. The average thickness of this ice is over a mile deep. In some places, it's almost 3 miles thick. That's like stacking 10 Empire State Buildings on top of each other, and you still wouldn't reach the surface. It's a colossal frozen world. But here's where it gets really wild. This immense frozen landscape, which seems so barren and lifeless, is actually the single largest reservoir of fresh water on Earth. It's a paradox, right? A frozen desert holding the key to life. That massive ice sheet holds about 70% of all the fresh water in the world. 70%! All locked up in a deep freeze at the bottom of the planet. Let's put that into perspective. All the rivers, all the lakes, all the underground aquifers, all the glaciers everywhere else in the world, from the Great Lakes in North America to Lake Baikal in Siberia, all of that combined only makes up about 30% of the world's fresh water. Antarctica has more than double all of that. If, and this is a big if, all of Antarctica's ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by a catastrophic 200 feet, or about 60 meters. Major coastal cities like New York, London, Shanghai, and Miami would be completely underwater. It would redraw the maps of our world. So this seemingly desolate continent isn't just a block of ice. It's a critical component of our planet's climate system and a massive storehouse of our most precious resource. It's a silent, frozen giant that plays a huge role in regulating global temperatures and ocean currents. It's a place of stark, stunning beauty, but also of incredible power. The next time you see a picture of those vast white plains, remember what's lying beneath. It's not just ice. It's the lifeblood of our planet, held in a frozen, delicate balance. It's pretty incredible, isn't it?